Because he didn't want subjects to you. He's here at 30 Central.
I don't know who you are.
Thank you.
You gotta get what I'm saying. All those ID pictures look completely different than you. The date of birth. How old are you?
Go for 24.
I'm on the 21 with Mr. Hoder. He's currently on his couch watching Netflix. He's not returning for his horse and has not recovered his soul.
You're saying you're ID4.
Temper.
That's not how it works. I don't know if I'm
Were you 10-4 on that one? Well, he was on the 21 with him, and he's on his couch at home right now.
Really? Hey, sir, go ahead and step out for me. Step out. So we just contacted Mr. Hoder, so go ahead and step out. Don't start the vehicle.
Why?
You alright, dude?
I'm good.
Oh, that's fine.
Thirty-fours are 10-4. Subject fled westbound, and it looks like he might be making I believe, maybe it's the cell phone, sir. If not, did he get taken straight, guys? King 243 to King 224. Go ahead. Do you guys have a visual, sir? 10-4, I believe he's taking westbound just past 2nd Street.
Westbound past 2nd from 211 meter.
John 238, he's at 4th and Montaño now. Going straight, just ran the red light.
Can you prepare yourself fire the vehicle split? North of Montaño.
Do we have air support?
You did air support.
John 235, log this on that call. King 224 to John 238. Hey, 48. When he was taking off with me in the vehicle, he was reaching in his waistband and turned towards me.
Tower.
Can we confirm if all fired towards 34?
Negative PD, he was taking off with me in the vehicle.
Still westbound Montaño, passing Tierra del Rio.
The vehicle still continuing westbound on Montaño, approaching the river. Speeds are about 70 miles an hour. Traffic is extremely light and there's no vehicles currently around it.
What's on Montaño?
201. Was shot fired. Yes, 10-4, sir. King 224, I fired shots. He was pulling me in the vehicle. Careful. King 243, vehicle still continuing westbound, crossing just about to hit the river now. Speed still 70 miles an hour. Traffic is light. And vehicle's going to be like a 90s model, blue colored van. Subject was also concealing identity. I spoke at 825 with the subject he was providing 49 for, who advised it was not him and his wallet was stolen or 27.6 earlier in November of 2020. Vehicles approaching Coors now. It just went southbound on Coors from Montaño. King 224 to 203. 201. Sorry about that, sir. Just to advise, this is also the vehicle that tried to run me off the road prior to the 54. Did he pull a firearm on you? Do we have ag assault against the 34? Negative, sir. I couldn't see what he was reaching for. We were trying to disengage from the vehicle. He was putting the keys in the ignition. He started driving off while we were still in the vehicle. I got caught up. Careful. All units disengage.
All units go 34 back at the original 54.
That's 10-4. Lost visual, vehicle continuing southbound, just past the Via, and so southbound Coors.
I'm 211 PD, I'm sure you already have it. If you can detail it, all airs and with SO and stake, please.
And vehicle was occupied times 2, as far as 34s are aware. Back windows were covered in cardboard, so it was unknown at the exact number of occupants by the vehicle.
I'm 211 King 224, are you 10-4?
You good? You good?
Yeah, I'm just freaked out now, man.
You alright?
10-4, sir.
Well, I just got caught up, and then now I'm freaking out the department.
Log me by 6 on my time range.